This is the latest version of a floor grinder and polishing machine based on 3 HP. The dia of the wheel is around 20 inch. Tilt करो बेटा इसको. You can have a look of this. Down करो. Yes. सीधे करो. These are the accessories along with the holder you are getting in this. So ये फिट करके दिखाओ एक दो. You put it like this. To adjust the handle as per your convenience, you can simply press this foot lever and handle will also release. You can leave that lever as per your requirement. So now आप करो, press करके, you press this, lift and down, again down, press. This is good.